Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-Star owners using Michigan's UST database. So the first thing I want to show you is a blog post on Convenience Talk. And what this has is the links to all the UST databases organized by state. So if I go down the page to Michigan and click on this link, it will take you to this page. And at the bottom of this page is a link to an Excel sheet. And so I downloaded this and opened it up in Google Docs. And you can see there's facility name, some address information, and then you also have the owner name and address information, phone number, and the contents, as well as the tank capacity. That's it for Michigan. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.